Spencer! Hey, Spencer! What? You've got to go home. There's been some kind of an emergency.
What? What's going on?
Brian, sit down.
Come on. What is this?
I said sit down. I'm going to read you something. Dear Brian, during the recent amateur draft meetings in Montreal, we acquired the exclusive rights to put you on our negotiating list, and we're prepared to negotiate a contract with you personally for your professional services to the Toronto Maple Leafs for the 1969-70 season and thereafter.
You're going to be in the National Hockey League, Brian.
That's the top of the mountain, buddy. You made it to the top of the mountain.
We made it, son. Congratulations.
You know, Brian Spencer's probably on his way to the rink right now for the game tonight. Let's hope he gets in there to win one for us. And you know what? I know one of Brian's favorite songs by the Bellamy Brothers. So for Spinner Spencer heading to the rink, here's to you, bud.
There's a reason for the sunshine sky, and there's a reason why I'm feeling so high. Must be the season when that love light shines.
Into the corner to Peter McNair, right foot. Oh, boy. And it's 12-6. Spencer throws the green.
The Chicago goal. Line number 8. That's great. That's great. Now tell me, how does this team stack up against the others you've played on?
Oh, Bob, now, I think that, look, the whole problem with this club is in the name. Teams' names should have, you know, strength, courage, like Colts or Tigers. But what do we got?
Penguin.
Penguins. Penguins. Incompetent little bird. It can't even fly. Just waddle.
Listen to this. If a player is limited in his knowledge of the outside world, and if a strong hockey identification is carried to the extreme, a player's perception of his own success and failure as a person may become one and the same with the course and outcome of his hockey career. This has ominous overtones, particularly for those who are not successful. Wild, huh?
Hey, Brad! After the morning shift, we got a receptionist needs her car looked at. You mind doing this? Woman? Yeah. Say no more.
So am I gonna need a new engine or something?
I doubt it. It's just your U-joint.
My U-joint.
Yeah, so your differentials.
My differential what?
Hey, you still got that beer you promised?
Uh-huh.
Well, hand it to my feet.
Ooh. So, can I get under there?
Why?
Well, I don't know anything much about cars. I was thinking maybe you could, you know, show me what you're doing or something.
Well, it's awful dirty under here.
Yeah?
Hey, Diane, honey,
I'm under the car, Pooch.
what you doing under there, baby?
Well, Brian here is giving me a crash course in automotive technology.
Right on. So what's the trouble?
Well, it seems it's my, U-joint.
So what's it gonna cost us, Brian?
Oh, it isn't gonna cost us anything, honey. Sometimes these old U-joints just slip right out of position. And all you gotta do is tighten them a little.
I really appreciate this, Brian, buddy. Really do.
If I miss anything, I miss training camp. Most of the guys hated it, but me, I loved it. It was like spring cleaning or something. Everything was clean. You'd look down the season schedule and say, there's my life. You didn't have to think about anything. You knew where you were going, what you'd be doing, what you'd be wearing. Everything was taken care of. All you had to do was skate. That's all. Just lace them up and skate.